Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Sketch to export UI kits for web design. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Sketch on your device. Create a new document or open an existing one. Navigate to the top menu and select the Plugins option. From the drop-down menu, choose Manage Plugins. In the Plugin Manager, click on the plus Install Plugin button. Search for the UI Kit Export plugin compatible with Sketch. Once you find the plugin, click Install to add it to your Sketch application. After installation, close the Plugin Manager. Return to your document and go back to the Plugins menu. Locate the installed plugin in the list and select it. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the plugin. You may need to log in or create an account, depending on the plugin's requirements. Once authorized, return to your design elements in Sketch. Select the UI components you wish to export. Access the plugin again from the Plugins menu. Choose the export option available within the plugin. Customize the export settings as needed, such as file format and dimensions. Click the Export button to complete the process. Locate the exported files in your designated output folder. You can now use these UI kits for your web design projects. Ensure to revisit the plugin settings for any future projects for a seamless experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.